Hi everyone, I'm Tina with SKINN Cosmetics, sister of Dimitri James, the CEO founder of SKINN Cosmetics. I am a 5-year member of AARP and a subscriber to the Girlfriend Relax and Radiate crate. We're super excited about this crate because one of our best-selling products worldwide is featured in this crate. It's the Derm Peel Thermoenzymatic Microdermabrasion Treatment. It's my desert island pick, my favorite product. When I have spa days with my girlfriends, this is the product that I bring. We're all in love with it. I know you're gonna be in love with it too. Let's take a peek inside the box. Well, I know what I'm doing this weekend, and it's going to include a hat, a tumbler, and a good book. Thank you so much, AARP, the Girlfriend, and the creators of the Relax and Radiate crate. And thank you, friends.